Here's a new 2019 Buick Encore. This perfectly sized and nimble Encore is perfectly suited for your next adventure. Features include intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, leather steering wheel, streaming audio, manual tilting steering column, Wi-Fi hotspot, external memory control, aluminum wheels, wireless phone connectivity, and power heated mirrors. From automobile, the Buick Encore offers reasonable fuel economy, impressive driving dynamics, and an upscale interior at a sweet spot price that makes it accessible to those who normally shop brands that are more conventional. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.